Next inmate, about time. I've been sitting here waiting for 8 hours. I need you to strip, take all your clothes off one by one, hold your butt cheeks, squat down, and cough 3 times. Hold my butt cheeks and squat and cough? That's so embarrassing. Because I gotta make sure there's nothing in your jail pocket. What are you talking about, my jail pocket? What's that supposed to mean? Is this your first time in jail? Well, your jail pocket is your butt. And you got a lot to learn when you get up there to the pod.